Hey everyone, we're at Ousel. Did I say that right?
Yeah,
All right.
you said it right. I've been saying it ooh less because I have dyslexia, and it really warped my brain and how I thought this place was pronounced and spelled.
Yeah. And she's misinformed everyone.
Multiple
You, me,
times. Even my grandpa.
even her grandpa. Can you believe that?
But yeah, we are at Ousel Falls, not ooh less, Ousel Falls. It's about a mile away. We're gonna hike down this trail that's right over there. And then we are going to go look at some really cool waterfalls and a little river area and all kinds of fun stuff. We're even going to bring our drone down there.
Wait. In the comments, everyone comment on Taryn's hairstyle.
I don't know if that's necessary.
It is necessary.
I don't know if that's necessary.
Or comments of any kind would help.
Yeah, boost us.
Boost.
Boost us. Comment in the YouTube, please. It will make it so that way more people see our stuff. And it'll give us something to talk to you guys about. So, yeah. Okay, everyone, we are off to go make some magic. Bye.